Listen, if you're looking for a business that looks premium, has high profit margins, and can start with a small investment, this video is for you. The global perfume market is growing over 5% every year, and small niche brands are taking over the industry faster than ever by offering scents the big brands can't touch. Today, I'll show you how to launch your own perfume brand from scratch, the exact tools you need, the cost to start, and how you can find verified suppliers for bottles, fragrances, and packaging without paying retail markups. Stay till the end, because today, I'm sharing powerful marketing ideas and a real creator who went from home to six-figure revenue in 18 months. So let's start. Perfumes are no longer controlled only by big brands. People now prefer niche fragrances that smell unique, last longer, and look aesthetically as self-friends. Whether it's office wear scents, luxury oud blends, gym fresh perfumes, or budget-friendly daily wear fragrances, the demand is explosive across men, women, and unisex categories. Small creators on Instagram and TikTok are launching micro brands and selling thousands of bottles every month. With the right fragrance oils, attractive bottles, and good branding, you can enter this market easily and build a strong, loyal audience. Would you ever start your own signature fragrance line? You can start a perfume brand in a small 100 to 150 square foot room. The setup is simple. You need a collection of fragrance oils, perfumer's alcohol, measuring equipment, mixing jars, storage bottles, and spray bottles for final packaging. Core kit includes borosilicate beakers, calibrated pipettes, and a jeweler's scale. Add a basic sealing machine, label printer, and a workstation for mixing and filling. One helper is enough to manage daily tasks. Sounds good, right? We can help you find verified suppliers for bottles, fragrance oils, and packaging materials so you don't waste money testing unreliable sources. Would you create a perfume inspired by your hometown? Drop your idea in the comments. Before you wrap up, here's the exact machine lineup with 2026 street prices so you can order tonight and start blending tomorrow. The first is a perfume mixing machine that maintains uniform blending of fragrance oil and alcohol. Grab a jeweler's digital scale with 0.01 gram accuracy for $45 to $70 on Amazon in the US, UK, or Australia. Add a 10-piece borosilicate beaker and pipette set for $35 to $50. A benchtop magnetic stirrer hot plate that speeds blending 5 times over manual swirling runs $120 to $180. Finish with a manual crimp tool for perfect perfume sprayers at $25 to $40. If you're already planning 50+ bottles per hour, the optional entry-level semi-automatic peristaltic filling pump costs $350 to $550 and pays for itself in your third week. Finally, use a simple labeling machine or a manual label applicator, which costs around $30 to $70. These small tools allow you to produce 100 to 300 bottles daily with consistent quality and less effort. If you want help finding verified perfume mixing machines, filling machines, and bottle suppliers, check the link below. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the perfume business becomes extremely attractive. A beginner setup can cost between $350 and $800 depending on how many scents you want to launch. One 100 milliliter bottle usually costs around $1.50 to $4.50 to produce, including fragrance, alcohol, bottle, sprayer, and label. You can sell it anywhere between $8 and $25 depending on branding and niche. Even with basic pricing, your profit margin stays between 300 and 500%. A starter-level production setup can fill 50 to 100 bottles daily. That gives you a potential daily profit of $200 to $600. Your starting investment can be recovered in 7 to 15 days. Register your business locally and check if your region requires a cosmetic or perfumery license. FDA cosmetic guidelines are straightforward for alcohol-based fragrances. Create a strong brand name that feels premium and easy to remember. Craft a memorable brand name tied to your story, maybe your city's hidden garden or a childhood memory. Design minimalist labels with free tools like Canva and print waterproof stickers at local shops. For packaging, use elegant black boxes with subtle gold foil accents to instantly elevate the look and feel of your brand, making even a simple 30-milliliter bottle feel luxurious without straining your budget. Pair this with high-quality glass bottles, because the moment a customer holds the product, the weight, clarity, and finish of the bottle build trust and signal craftsmanship. In the perfume world, packaging is often the first impression, and investing in premium materials ensures your fragrance is perceived as high value before the scent is even experienced. Consider launching 3 signature scents first: a fresh citrus, a warm sweet blend, and a long-lasting oud or woody scent. These work for almost every audience. Start by promoting your fragrances through Instagram Reels, TikTok clips, and short YouTube videos showing the bottling process, scent notes, and packaging. People love behind-the-scenes videos. Offer small 10-milliliter testers at low cost and add your contact information in every video description. Strengthen your local presence by visiting yoga studios, bridal boutiques, indie bookstores, salons, spas, and boutique gift shops where you can leave branded scented blotter cards with QR codes, collect email leads, and offer 10-milliliter testers at a low cost to bring people into your scent journey. Expand offline by booking weekend booths at farmers markets, using scent wheels to guide customers and QR codes to drive them online. Give samples to micro-influencers with 5,000 to 50,000 engaged followers for authentic word-of-mouth promotion. And introduce custom fragrance services for weddings, events, and corporate gifting to secure repeat bulk orders. Across all touchpoints, online and offline, focus on building a community, nurturing your email list, and continually showcasing the craftsmanship and story behind each fragrance to convert curiosity into loyal customers. Before we continue, tell me in the comments which perfume style you would launch first: fresh citrus, sweet vanilla, or strong oud. Your answers help others in the community. In Sydney, a couple of perfume enthusiasts launched their indie fragrance brand in 2023 from a small apartment, starting with just 40 imported bottles of Indian oil perfume discovered at Coachella. They pivoted to direct outreach, pitching to local boutiques, where 9 out of 10 stores agreed to stock their scents, building momentum through personal connections and small batch storytelling. Within 2 years, their hands-on operation scaled to a team of 40, hitting over $20 million in sales by focusing on unique, high-quality formulations and lean growth. Their journey is detailed in a Medium feature on entrepreneurial breakthroughs in the fragrance world. Once you get steady orders, upgrade to bulk storage tanks, a semi-automatic filling machine, and UV-printed glass bottles. Offer limited edition scents for holidays, seasons, and special collaborations. Add custom box packaging to position your brand as premium. Once 10 stockists reorder monthly, upgrade to a pneumatic filling station and custom silicone molds for signature bottle shapes. Launch scent subscription boxes with quarterly mood drops to lock in recurring revenue. Build an email list by offering a free layering cheat sheet and send personalized scent quizzes. Use simple AI tools to write product copy and schedule reels. Prioritize batch consistency and 2-day shipping. Those turn one-time buyers into brand evangelists. Remember, consistency in quality and fast delivery turns your small brand into a long-term business. So that's how you can launch your own perfume brand from scratch. With the right fragrance oils, packaging, and marketing plan, this business can grow fast in 2026 and beyond. You don't need a huge investment, you just need the right steps and trusted suppliers. Most people think fragrance is gated by giant labs, but you now own the shortcut. Drop your dream scent note in the comments and tap the link to let our team match you with vetted suppliers step by step. See you in the credits of your own success story.